Friends, I hope you all are doing very well. So I am getting live right now. There is a very special occasion. Today I am right now in Trivandrum, and being a Sunday and very auspicious day, I am able to see an event which is going to be my lifetime experience. कितने लोगों को पता है कि महिलाओं का सबरीमाला क्या होता है? What is women's Sabrimala? You all know Sabrimala in Kerala, where for a long time entry of women is not allowed. Right, it's a man ritual. कितने लोगों को ये पता है कि women का भी ritual है जिसको कहते हैं Sabrimala of women. That is in terms of where women come together and they make offering to Goddess Bhagavathi. Yes, you are very right. I am right now seeing a very important festival of the state of Kerala, God's own country, which is called as Pongala. Right? This Pongala festival, where women all over Kerala come to Trivandrum, they put bricks, they put wood, everything, and they prepare paisam, kheer, different type of prasadam, which is offered to Goddess Bhagavathi. There's a temple nearby. So I'm going to show you here what exactly it looks like. The ritual starts at 10:30 a.m. in the morning, where all women which have come there, and they prepare and this type of prasadam for goddess there. So here, what you can see here, this is they cook in open. और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये है कि इस इवेंट के होने से पहले यहाँ पे पहले से ही ब्रिक रख दिया जाता है, नाम लिख दिया जाता है, ताकि पूरा रोड जो है वहाँ पे जगह मिल जाए पूरा ट्रिवेंड्रम में. और जैसे कहा जाता है कि लास्ट ईयर इट हैज़ होल्ड वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड ऑफ हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ वुमेन at one place, congregation part of it. Is a very interesting thing, and what is very important is a Hindu ritual, and Hindu women which come here, they come from every part of the state of Kerala. That means you take Ernakulam, you take Kozhikode, you take Kannur, you take any district of Kerala, they all arrive here. They are beautifully dressed with their saris and traditional attire, and then right from young women to old women, they all right 10:30 a.m. in the morning, they come to that place where the bricks are kept. They have a earthen pot, मिट्टी का हंडी होता है, वहाँ पर खाना पकाते हैं. और आप देख सकते हो ये इस तरह का होता है जहाँ पर प्रसाद को बनाया जाता है. एंड ये फिर यहाँ पर मंदिर जो है, प्रिस्ट जो होते हैं 2:30 बजे 2:30 p.m. वो प्रिस्ट आके जब प्रसाद देवी को चढ़ जाता है, उसके बाद आके क्या तो उसके बाद लोग ये प्रसाद को खाते हैं. दे इज ऑल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू एवरीवन. तो मैं अभी जस्ट वॉक कर रहा था थ्रू आउट द रोड, बोथ साइड ऑफ द रोड. ओनली women आर देयर एंड दे आर वर्शिपिंग, दे आर कैरिंग आउट द रिचुअल्स. तो ये एक अपने आप में बहुत ही अनूठा इवेंट होता है, पोंगाला कहते हैं. तो व्हाट डू यू फाइंड हियर, ये चीज़ है. अभी ये सारा कुकिंग हो चुका है. नाउ 2:30 प्रसाद दिया जाएगा एंड देन देयर आई एम जस्ट स्टेइंग इन द होटल नियर बाई. और मेरे लिए एक अच्छा मौका मिला कि मैं ये इवेंट को देख सकता हूँ. तो मैं एक चीज़ को अभी जैसे रोड पे आप जाएंगे तो थ्रू आउट यहाँ पर अभी तो मैंने वहाँ पर मैं अभी वॉक किया हूँ. ऑल थ्रू आउट यू विल फाइंड दैट. सो कैन आई आस्क समथिंग अबाउट द फेस्टिवल, राइट? कैन इंग्लिश और हिंदी बोल सकते हैं? नहीं
बोल सकते हैं,
हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा. नहीं आप नहीं, इसको सबरीमाला ऑफ वुमेन क्यों बोलते हैं? ऐसा है
ऐसा ही नहीं, आप देख सकते हैं कि वी आर ऑल women here.
राइट राइट
More of a festival for women too.
राइट
The deity is also a woman.
राइट
So it's a celebration for her.
राइट.
Mostly done, not just mostly, only women do this.
This work, not men are not allowed.
Men are not.
Men are not allowed there. Right. You are come from which place in Kerala?
Then we belong.
You belong to Trivandrum. No, but in this hotel, there are people who have come from Kozhikode, then also from Ernakulam. They all have come here.
Yeah.
And I've been staying here for last 1 week. I am from Delhi.
Okay.
I'm not from here. So when I was walking for my morning or evening walk, I used to see all the brick with the names. Already reserved this one. And it has it is said that it is a Guinness Book of World Record of having highest number of women. I believe that this is a women empowerment. Like in one place, all you can see at one time. And I always say, I am basically a teacher. I teach the students. So right now, my students are watching right now. So when in Delhi, I used to tell them that Kerala is God's own country, the harmony there. And I am very fortunate to see right now this event 10:30. So when the prasadam is given to people there, like this, this prasadam consists of what? What is made of?
Rice.
Rice.
Different kind. You
Yeah.
can say. One is made like with the jaggery.
Jaggery, right?
Yeah. The other one is like plain rice. cooked
Plain
with
rice.
coconut. And then there is another couple of variations.
Variations are there.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. It's
this prasadam is offered to everyone, like whatever a family member there.
basically for family members.
Family members.
Take it back to our family.
Just getting it back there.
It'll be blessed by the pujaris. and-
Pujaris were right.
Yeah.
Right.
We share with others also. If we have
Right,
others
right.
also, we share with
Now, I just recollect there in north when you go to Bihar, UP and all, they have Chhat Puja. And again, that is done by women only. There's a women will have observance for 10 days. They will be fasting and everything. But they offer the prayer to sun, God's son that is given. Similarly, if you take Bengal, they have Dasahara, Durga Puja, where goddess, I think Bhagavathi is the same goddess, Durga is there. And then they celebrate entire rituals there. So that's one of the very important things which I found right now. And I'm lucky to see all this, that is part of it. And I'm blessed that I will have a share of prasad after some time. So 2:30, the priest of the temple comes and then announce that now is over there. What is the name of the temple here? That temple? Atigai. What is that in Malayalam means? Is there any meaning there? No.
Artigal is a place name. Yeah.
Place name there. Okay. Right. No, I've been to Padmanabhan temple. I've never been to there. So I'll plan my next time with my family, go to that Bhagavathi temple there and worship, because I keep on going everywhere in the country for my classes there. So luckily I was here. They told me, sir, you walk along the road and see this event. And I'm really very much happy to see this event.
If you have some time, you should visit
The temple there.
I think after there are like 2 more days to commence the festival.
Right.
So if you have
Have a
some
time
you
that
should-
you can do. And it generally start in which day of the year? Like now is 25th, today being a Sunday. But is there any particular day where?
There is a particular day. I can't, I can't recollect it. It's,
Right.
I don't have it at the top of my mind. Right.
Right.
Like when you say day, it's more like the nakshatra.
Nakshatra there.
Yeah, that's
Right.
the auspicious time. More
Right.
not with the day or
A day or something
this
of that.
particular month, this particular nakshatra.
Nakshatra there.
And other Bhagavathi birthday available, that happens to be Devi's
Birthday.
nakshatra.
Acha, acha. That is said to be birthday of the goddess there. That's right. So I am really thankful to all of you from bottom of my heart that getting this information, because I want that our cultural things should be known to young people. They should know about it, and I'm really very happy to share such information to the young ones. So through this, I am right now on Instagram. There's an Instagram live there, which I'm trying to share with the people there, and I'll really go and have the share. After 2:30, I'll come back. I'm staying in the same hotel. I'm in the same hotel there. They also told me that, sir, you walk and see this one. So myself, Neeraj Nachiketa, and yeah, I'm a faculty for civil service exam. I teach science tech environment. So that's what Sunday being the holiday,
You teach what, sir?
I teach science and technology for UPSC exam, civil service exam there. So I had come for classes here. So for last 1 week I am here. On 29th I'll fly back to Delhi. So that's what I thought, like let's go around and have this. So I'm really
God bless you also, sir.
thank you, thanks a lot there.
Come here.
Yeah, thank you, thanks a lot, and thank you for providing the information. Thanks a lot there. Thanks a lot. Thank you, thank
Have a
you.
safe journey.
Same here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So, dear friends, all my students, so this information given to by everyone here, and this is what the things happen there, right? So, I will be giving you more information. I have already done YouTube live. Go to my YouTube live channel. I have already shown that entire that road where I was walking and all the event which the women are cooking and everything. That is in my YouTube channel. You can visit there, you can get that. So I'll get back to you again, right, with more updates. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.